What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is day number 4 of our giveaway series for the holidays. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a pretty good giveaway. It is valued at $125. It's basically a complete wash kit that you'll need to, keep your car looking its best. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. But first, I do wanna announce, a lot of people have asked me, am I gonna be doing my own chemical line? The answer is yes and no, not really. I'm doing more of a curated set of chemicals, not really branding it to my own brand or anything, but I'm capitalizing on other companies that have years and years and years of research and development in their chemicals. Like I said, I offer CoChemi. I'm going to be bringing in some other brands, and I'm very, very, very happy to announce that I'm going to be bringing in some select products from CarGlo. This is my local manufacturer and supplier for detailing chemicals. Tons and tons and tons of professional detailers in the San Diego and Southern California area use these guys. And to be perfectly honest, guys, I use all sorts of different products, right? Especially in my tests and all that kind of stuff. But in my everyday, day-to-day detail business, price is an issue, right? The lower I can keep my cost, the more profit I have, right? And these guys provide phenomenal products at phenomenal prices. Now, in the beginning, I'm just gonna be offering these 32-ounce size bottles, but we'll get into gallons and stuff down the road as well, so keep your eyes open for that. And really quickly, guys, I just wanna go through some of the items I'm gonna be offering for you. Number 1, auto gloss. This is a wash and wax. The wax is basically, it's not really for protection, but it's for gloss enhancement of the paint to make it look really, really good. I did a review of this stuff, or I included this in my high foaming soap comparison test. This stuff performed amazingly well. I love it. It works really, really good. It's really slick, so when you're going across the paint, you don't feel like you're gonna be introducing any marring or anything like that. Really slick, has good surfactants to help lift the dirt and all that kind of good stuff. So I really, really like this stuff. Next up, all of you have heard me talk about the sprayable tire dressing that I love, that I always recommend. Now, because I haven't been stocking this stuff, I've been referring out to a couple different water-based dressings that I like. They work really, really well. I'm happy to say this is the one that I use in my detail business. This is AquaShine from CarGlo. Fantastic water-based dressing. As you can see, it's nice and liquid, so it's easily sprayable. Fantastic product, guys. I can't speak highly enough of this stuff. I really like it. Now, because it is sprayable, you can just spray it right on. You do want to make sure you let it dry before you drive off, just because when you're spraying, you get excess material on there and it can fling away. But just make sure you mop that up. I love this product. You can multi-layer it, create more shine. Really good. It typically gives like a slightly higher gloss than satin. But you can manipulate it. You can cut it down a little bit because it's water-based. You can reduce that a little bit if you want a little less sheen to it and all that kind of stuff. Amazing. Next up is an interior cleaner. This is called Interior Buster. It's an all-purpose, ready-to-use cleaner. So this is ready to use. You still, if you want, you can cut it down. You can add some water and dilute this out a little bit, but you don't have to. But even on the side here, it does show you can dilute 1 to 3. So 3 parts water, 1 part product, up to that if you want to be a little more on the gentler side. So fantastic product though. It works on leather, plastic, upholstery. Has mild foaming capabilities. That's what I like about this stuff. It's not overly foamy, but you get enough foam so it lifts and really pulls stuff out. Again, fantastic product. And finally, brake dust cleaner. This is BDC, short for brake dust cleaner. It's a safe, non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. I really like this stuff, especially in my detailing business, because it works amazing on the wheel surface, but also works really, really well on the tire, pulling all that dirt and grime and everything out of the tire to get it a nice, fresh, clean surface. So when you apply your AquaShine tire dressing, it really stays on there and adheres properly. So those are the 4 that I'm gonna be bringing in right now. So I'm really excited about offering this stuff to you guys because, again, this is what I use. This is a huge staple baseline of my detailing business is products from CarGlo, and I really like them. They do sell on their own personal site as well, but that's not the bulk of their business. They do stuff, regionally here in Southern California. So if you're in the Southern California area or San Diego specifically, go see Jared, located in Kearney Mesa. Fantastic guy. His dad also operates another site, and then they have another site down in Chula Vista. So amazing company, amazing family that runs it. So happy to support and offer this to you guys so that you can get this stuff as well. Now for today's giveaway, Jared, again at CarGlo, put together an amazing kit for you guys. based off these products. So let's just go ahead and go through the box. Again, valued at 125 bucks. All right guys, now before we jump into today's giveaway, let's go ahead and hop back into my office and announce the winner of day 2's giveaway, which is the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. And once again, guys, remember, do not fall for the scams. There are scammers that will comment on your comments saying, hey, you won, just reach out and we'll send out the product, but then they ask for shipping and all that kind of stuff. It's a scam. The only people that are actually winning are announced on video, and then I'll reach out to you directly. So don't fall for any of the scams. Just remember that the way we're doing this is I'll announce a giveaway, and then 48 hours later, we'll announce the winner. So that means today I'm filming this, and you still have an opportunity to go win the Max Shine Sit-On Creeper from yesterday's video. So go ahead and go check that out. Good luck on that, and then we'll be announcing the new one. All right, what's up everyone? We're here in my office now. We're gonna be announcing the giveaway of day 2 of this whole giveaway series. This is for the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro, my personal favorite foam cannon. So good luck to all of you. Let's jump into the computer. All right everyone, so here we are at my computer. In the original video where I announced the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro giveaway, I said to go back and watch the original video that I did on it, the full review, and that's this video here. And 1,196 of you went over there and commented, I want to win, or some variation of that on that video. So thank you so much to everyone who participated. Now I went ahead and took all the comments, I put them into an Excel sheet. So as you can see guys, it goes from number 1 all the way down to 1,196. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to our Google's random number generator. Minimum number 1, maximum number we will change to 1,196, and we will hit generate. So the winner will be number 1,112, which is, let's go ahead and scroll over here. 1,112, that is this one. Tony Williams. Tony Williams, you are the winner. Congratulations. I'll comment on that comment, so hopefully it gets to you. But if you're just seeing this, just reach out to me and we'll get that thing sent out to you. So congratulations. Now let's get back to the original video. So I'm just gonna pull some of the products out real quick, and then we'll start walking through it. So number 1, guys, you do get a bucket with a grit guard inside. So $10 bucket, $8 grit guard, so you're 18 bucks right off the bat. Next up, we do have auto gloss. So auto gloss, like I said, you know, you can put some in your bucket. Also works super, super well in a foam cannon. I use the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro, available on my site. You can also go on Amazon. I'll link all that stuff down in the description for you guys. But you get 32 ounces of auto gloss. A nice little flip cap, boom, so you can just disperse it really easily. Once again, along with washing the exterior surfaces of your vehicle, spray down your wheels and tires with the brake dust cleaner, get those all prepped up. We're also including a nice microfiber wash mitt. This has a cuff. If you don't want to put your hand in, you can just tuck the cuff in, and then you just have a nice basic wash pad. So that's awesome as well. 2 different microfiber towels. We have a larger one, not huge, but I don't know what this is, 12 by, or 16 by 24 probably. So good size towel there. And then also a nice soft 16 by 16 edgeless towel also. This is really fantastic towel, especially for when you're doing paint correction or whatever else. This thing is very soft on paint. You're not gonna have any issues with marring. From there, you move on to the interior. Again, interior buster, works on all surfaces, so this stuff's fantastic. But he also wanted to include something else. He included an aerosol of Foamy, which is their dry foam carpet cleaner. So for your little spots, spot treatments and all that kind of stuff, this stuff is amazing. Then finally, we move on to, again, AquaShine. If you guys can tell here, we're offering the 4 products that I'm gonna be offering on my site in this giveaway. So those 4 products, AquaShine, clean up your tires. You can also use this as an all-purpose dressing. Guys, I use this stuff on interiors as well. I do dilute this down and then use it on interiors. Just a fantastic water-based dressing. And then finally on exterior surfaces, if you have a plastic bumper with a bunch of intricate details and stuff you can't really get in there, we're including a melon trim, vinyl and plastic coating from CarGlo as well. And then just a nice little fun little bonus, guys. We have a little patch, a little Velcro backed patch, so that's cool. And then a $20 hat as well, CarGlo. You guys have probably seen me wear one of these on their channel before, but fantastic company. Like I said, fantastic people behind it. You also get the, we're including some gray chemical resistant trigger sprayers. You can get cheaper trigger sprayers, but these ones are fantastic. Especially when especially with the brake dust cleaner, because that's a higher caustic, it's effective at cleaning heavier contamination. It can break down in sprayers. These are chemical resistant and should get the job done perfectly. These are what I typically use every day in my detail business. These ones they also have a gold one that's acid resistant, but again, I'm not using a lot of acid products, so these are the ones I go with. So that is day 4's giveaway, guys. $125 kit from CarGlo, their whole wash kit, and again, featuring the products I'm gonna be listing on my site as well. So make sure to check that out, guys. I really appreciate it. All you have to do to win this kit, once again, comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Please, a lot of people watch the channel that aren't subscribed, so I'm trying to kind of minimize that ratio a little bit. So if you're not subscribed, please do. And then this is not a requirement to win, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, I would appreciate it if you do. And also give CarGlo a follow on Instagram as well. I'll link us both down in the description. Follow them. Again, great people, fantastic products. So that's it, guys. Good luck to all of you, and we'll see you back tomorrow for another giveaway announcement, and then also choosing the winner of the Max Shine sit on creeper. So good luck to all of you. We'll see you on the next video.